his riff, and he's like, I wonder if anyone's gonna notice that I've been practicing. And then there's the banjo player, and the banjo player's looking around and he's like, I wonder if they got any cheap liquor here or something I could get high off of. Okay, and then the bass player is getting ready and he's thinking, D, G, D, G, D, G, D, G, D, G. That's the end of the joke. Do you have any bass players in the house? You said you play a little bit of everything, so. So yeah, we're them Travelin birds, and we've been traveling a lot for the past 2 years, and now we're sort of local to California, and this is one of our favorite spots to play. It's so beautiful here, and always a really friendly crowd. And we do have CDs on sale. They're only $10, and that really helps us out when you buy CDs, because then we can eat and stuff. This is our job, our only job. And here it comes. I told two banjo jokes. Well,